Hey everybody, welcome to TNT Tuesday. Today it's Manufacturing with Mary. I wanted to let a few of you guys know some of the changes we've had around here recently. Unfortunately, those of you that are used to talking to Tanner and calling in and seeing Tanner has left us. We're sad.
I miss you, Tanner.
He went back to Indiana to be closer to his family. So now when you call, you are either going to get me or Chuck. Chuck's filling in a few different spots. Chris might answer the phone. He'll take a message. But just thought I'd let you guys know that. So if you see Tanner back in Indiana, give him a boot. Tell him that he should have stayed here. But we're learning to live without Tanner. Then I thought I'd show you what we got going on back here today.
Let's head to the back.
Just got a little bit of stuff going on.
Stevens.
All right, we got this big brodozer here. Sometimes in our manufacturing facility, we have to do some custom things for our other shop. This truck's getting some custom work done on the headache rack. We've done all kinds of stuff. This is one of Tanner's last projects. He's finished up the Line-X on the rails there, and we've done lots of powder coating on it. We've got, and then there's
Worked
more,
on the headache
lots
rack.
more stuff. And
Yeah.
next, Bart wants some locking hub put on his axles. So we got lots of stuff to do there.
To work yet.
Yeah. We got our new guy Jake on board. Jake's a happy TJ owner,
Yep.
so he's excited to be part of the team. He's just helping out with Line-X and the shipping and whatever we come to do, right, Jake?
Yep.
Glad to have you.
One of our newer guys. We'll come on over here. Jake was over here working earlier, putting together a bunch of track bars. Obviously, it was a busy weekend. We had a lot of orders come through, so we got everybody working on getting some orders out. We got a pallet that's got to go to Zeus Off-Road. We got a whole bunch of other parts that we're getting boxed up. And hopefully today, tomorrow, we get a whole bunch of them going out. I want to thank everybody for all their orders this weekend. It was awesome to come in and teach Chuck how to crash learn, how to process all those orders online. That was a good learning experience for him to get to know that system. He's been over at Auto Shop for 6
months.
6 months now.
Yeah.
And now we're going to break them in a little bit over here too.
My hands still hurt from that.
We don't, that sale that we did is the only time of year we really do a sale. November is it. We didn't stock up this last weekend.
That was a big one.
know,
That was a big sale.
For those of you,
But it was a really good deal. Some of them people really saved a lot of money.
some of them
by-
snuck
The
in.
more you spent, the more you saved. So it was a pretty good deal.
We said it was a Don't Tell Bob sale, but this morning I was thinking it should have been a Don't Tell Mary sale
Mary
after
was
some of those
using
discounts.
It's like, oh man, I hate that. I'm not
Save
gonna
some
do that
money.
again. I'm not gonna do that again. Another thing I wanted to touch base on was this weekend. We are going to be at the Christmas Caravan for Kids that the Colorado Association, Mile High? Which one?
Mile High.
Mile High puts on every year. We go down there every year to the Lincoln School of Technologies and Caravan in. Bob and I will go down Friday night, but Chuck and Mason are going, Jason and Lindsay are going. We're going to have a booth and we're going to debut, we hope, the Safari LJ. It is getting finished up. Craig is busting his butt this week to try to get that so that we can take that to that event. So those of you that have been following that along, be sure to come and see it. It'll be its grand debut there, and you're gonna love it. We're not showing you any more pictures.
Nothing
until
else.
we
You're
get
putting
it
a
all
cramp on my
together.
media style here with no more pictures.
No more pictures of it. It's getting its sides and its roof, and it's getting finished up. It's going to be awesome. So that's pretty exciting. We're also going to bring down a few things that we have for sale. Maybe some fire pits, some dog dishes, some things you guys can, some t-shirts and sweatshirts, stuff you can get stock up on for Christmas, possibly. I'm trying to think of anything else. Other than that, we're not doing much come December. It always slows down a little bit. Obviously, we're going to do local club runs and local meet and greet. That's tonight. There's a meeting tonight at Uncle Charlie's.
Mainly in the
That.
snow during,
Yes.
during
Well,
the.
and it's funny. I don't know if many of you followed. This weekend was like weather from hell for Cheyenne. We had snow, we had wind, we had drifts that were deep, deep, deep. If you came outside today, you gotta come outside. I gotta show you. This is amazing. Yesterday was 42 degrees. Today's another 40-some degrees. Now it's sunny and beautiful. That's the joy of Cheyenne, Wyoming. When winter comes, it doesn't stay very long.
Yeah, we got Lake Cheyenne.
Now we got lake. Yep. But yesterday we couldn't even get in this. It was a 3-foot drift on both the doors. So
The Christmas parade
yep.
got
Oh,
canceled.
yes,
You want to
yes,
mention
yes.
that? And
We were gonna.
Postpone?
or excuse me,
Yes,
postpone. Thank you.
We were all going to be in the parade on Saturday because of terrible weather. That got postponed. It is happening again this weekend. I sent an email this morning to some of our local club members. A few are still willing to participate, so if you can come on down for the Cheyenne Rough Country Four-Wheelers booth in the parade, decorate your Jeep, be in it. A bunch of us that were going to be in it are going to be down in Denver, so we need a few more Jeeps to kind of represent Cheyenne in the parade. That would be awesome. What else do we got? Then we'll be looking into January. And January means
We're going.
St. George. St.
Hopefully the
George.
weather holds out for that.
Few days
'cause
left.
Between here and there,
16th and 18th of January, we'll be out there.
between here and there is always the nasty part of the drive.
Yep. But we're taking some customers from Cheyenne, some local guys, down to there.
Yeah.
And then we've had a couple people message us. So if you want to hang out with us, you want to do some trails with us, let us know. We'll let you know what we signed up for and what we're leading.
Chuck's working on something special. We're
A couple swag bags for our personal trips that we're on because we're going
Yeah.
to sponsor some trails.
Yep.
So-
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Working with Mindstar, maybe.
Yeah, got some stuff from Mousar, got some
Yeah.
stuff from Dirty Life,
Yeah.
all kinds of people that we're gonna put in our swag bags for our
Yeah.
the trail we're sponsoring. So if you want to
That
know what their
sounds
trail it is,
good.
let us know. It's a good one.
I'm trying to think what else. Mason was working on our website today. She's got a bunch of stuff. We have all these parts that you guys don't even know about. So we're working on trying to get that a little bit better. We did have a crash on
Yeah,
our
we had some-
website over Thanksgiving.
We had some
weekend.
finicky website stuff.
Yeah.
If that happens, just give us a call. I can process your order just as easily and probably answer some of those questions. And
Yeah.
I'm gonna end up talking to you because there's a lot of complicated things that go into ordering certain things.
Some
so
of that stuff.
some of that stuff, just call us and order. It's much easier that way, anyways.
Yeah, we're working on getting those glitches fixed, but yeah, that's terrible when you have a big sale weekend and your website crashes.
Yeah.
But,
Other than that, that's all I have.
I think that's it. I think pretty much that's all we're gonna have for today.
Awesome.
We're gonna get some Linux training tomorrow. Our guys got the Linux headquarters trainer is coming in. He's gonna give Scott and Jake a little rundown on tweaking them to be a little bit faster.
So get your Jeeps ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting all that stuff done.
I wasn't a huge fan, but the blue one's changed my mind on the Linux exterior.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
pretty
So
good.
Might
if you
have
haven't
some-
seen that, like you said, come down to the Christmas caravan for kids. We're gonna have it out there on display.
check it out at Lincoln Tech.
Yep.
Absolutely.
That's
This
all we
Saturday.
got.
Right
That's all we
on.
got. Thanks, guys.